Number 1 is the multinational fast food chain, McDonald's. I've heard many of my students mispronounce it as McDonald's. This word is actually a surname, that is, it's a family name that comes from the regions of Scotland and Ireland. To say it correctly, say Donald. The first syllable is Don and the second is Ald, Donald. So the company's name is McDonald's. Now they have a mascot, that is a character that represents the company. This is a clown that you often see in advertisements, and his name is Ronald McDonald. The Ronald rhymes with Donald. Another fast food company whose name is often pronounced wrongly is Pizza Hut. That's because many people say the word pizza wrong. So I guess the names of most pizza chains are mispronounced as well, including Domino's, Papa John's, and Little Caesars. So here's how you correct the mistake. Say Pete-sa. It's not pizza and it's not pizza. It's Pete and Sa. So Pizza Hut, Domino's Pizza, Papa John's Pizza, Little Caesars Pizza, etc. Number 3 is the internet shopping giant, Amazon. This word is commonly mispronounced Amazon. When you say it correctly, the first syllable is a, and the stress is on this first syllable. So Amazon is correct. Once again, Amazon. Next up is Disney, the company famous for its cartoons, animated films, and for the most popular theme park in the world, Disneyland. Its full name is the Walt Disney Company, named after its founder. So what's the problem with the way people say the name? Well, let me ask you, how do you say this word? If you said Disney, that's the mistake. The S in the middle is actually a Z sound, as you can see in the pronunciation symbols on the screen. So it's Disney, remember that. Number 5 is the popular brand of denim jeans, Levi's. The company that owns this brand is called Levi Strauss & Company. This company was also named after its founder, by the way. The name is often pronounced wrongly as Levi's. That's not correct. Remember that the correct way to say it is Levi's. Levi's. Up next is the sportswear manufacturer, Nike. That's right, it's not Nike. There are 2 syllables, Nike and Ki. In fact, the company's co-founder, Phil Knight, himself confirmed in 2014 that the correct way to say the company's name is Nike. Another sportswear manufacturer whose name is commonly mispronounced is Adidas. Many people say Adidas, and there are a lot of myths, that is, false stories about what the name means. Some say it's all day I dream about soccer, others say it's all day I dream about sports. Those are not true. The company's name is simply an abbreviation or shortening of its founder's name, Adi Dassler, a German businessman. So the correct pronunciation is with the stress on the first syllable, Adidas. Number 8 is the American software company, Adobe Systems. You might be familiar with their very popular products such as Adobe Reader, which is used to read PDF files, Photoshop, which is used for image editing, and Flash, which is an animation program. The word Adobe is a real English word, and it refers to a kind of clay that's used to build houses in some parts of the world. It's often pronounced wrongly as adobe, but that E at the end is not silent. It should be said as an E sound, so it's Adobe. Number 9 is this German car manufacturer. Now before I say the name, I want to point out that this is a German name, so unless you speak the language, I don't, it's going to be difficult to get it exactly right. In English, it's generally pronounced Mercedes-Benz. Say, like to say something. Benz. Mercedes-Benz. And number 10 is yet another German car manufacturer, Volkswagen. I personally used to say Volkswagen, but I have since learned that the initial V is actually pronounced as an F sound in German. So the first part of the name sounds like the English word folks. And the meaning of Volkswagen is apparently people's car, like the car of common folks. Also notice that the W sound in the second part of the name represents not a W sound, but a V sound. So Volkswagen is the correct way to say it. Alright, if you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button and that little bell icon next to it to get my latest lessons right here on YouTube. Happy learning. Now we'll see you in another lesson.